So day ma'am, so to now ako iguan sa RFID. So here is the includes dictionaries, tas kanya siya ang LCD is 0.16, tapos if ang MFRC is 25 sa pin, bar sa pin, tas convo sa int AUX, tapos sa carry it's 4, the flag is 0, LED 13, SCNT 0. So now we're going to set up pin with the LED as an output, and then LCD init, and then LCD backlight, and SPI. So it will begin. So in the M4 event, it will print the top the card, and then cursor it will 0.01 below it. To put this under, we'll put the LCD print to register, and then my servo attached to 0, my server to right. Now we're going to loop, and if the FRIC 522.PICC is new card present, it will return. And next, if there is the read card serials, it will return. Then we will put the loop for a bit I equals to 0 here, and then inside the loop, if flag is 0, it will clear, and then it will print the card ID, and under it here is to put a loop card UX to print the decimal, and then print the 0. If flag, it will delay, then it will clear again. Next is if you tap, it will tap the card, and below, and that cursor 01 is put under it to access. Next is now we're going to put else in another loop. So for here, if we're going to loop, and then here, if CNT was to 01, it will put inside it, it will clear, and it will put access or to be allowed if it is put inside, and then here under it or else access under it is denied, and it will clear again and be reset again to the beginning. So it will tap the card and to access. So that's all. So ma'am, kanya siya kamo siya ang inventory. And then after kay mo na siya, if ever siyang itap mukha na siya unlock. Pero if kanina mong gamit, kung i-explain ganina, so kan siya, so authorize. So kaya hilahin na siya, kasi yun po pang authorize lo kani authorize, kani authorize, ano ma'am?